Good morning, everybody. This is Don Harvey with Fireplace, Stone and Patio and Master Hearth Professional. Here this morning to talk to you a little bit about burning a fire in an EPA fireplace or stove. Traditionally, you've always been told that when you light a fire inside a fireplace to start with small kindling and work your way up to bigger logs going in there. Well, EPA fireplaces are a little bit different. EPA fireplaces, they really kind of choke down that air. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about building an upside down fire. The purpose of the upside down fire is to get that heat up in the fireplace as high as we possibly can so we can get that chimney drafted in as fast as we can. And what the upside down fire does is we start with our big logs on the bottom, we work our way up to smaller kindling coming up, and we get the fire started way up high, and it'll actually burn down through itself while it's burning. When starting this fire, we want to make sure that we're not using any newspaper or any cardboard in there, and the purpose of that is to make sure that, you know, cardboard and newspaper tend to put out a lot of smoke, and we want to really limit the smoke that's going in there. So I'm going to use a fire starter inside there to get that going. You also notice that I'm not using any construction materials to get this fire started in here, and that's very important because those construction materials burn at a very high pace and they get the chimney really hot. So I'm going to light this thing up for you and show you how quick that it's going to start inside here. So when we do that, it's very important to always make sure that we open whatever air control that we have on there, because we want to get as much air as we can in there, and then we have these doors open all the way when we get the fire going. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to light this up for you and show you how quick that we can get this thing going. So as I'm lighting it up here, it takes a little bit to get these fire starters going, but once they do, you'll notice that fire starters don't put out any smoke. So this will take off really quick once we get it going. And we're just going to get the fire up high here and get some kindling up above here. And then we're going to go ahead and shut these doors on here and get this thing going. So as you can see, it's that easy to get the fire going inside here. And if you ever have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at Fireplace, Stone and Patio, and we'll be glad to help you out.